Welcome to Osaka Marine. We're a distinguished manufacturer of spare parts catering to a diverse range of vehicles, including Harley-Davidson, outboards, jet ski, snowmobiles, ATVs, chainsaws, motorcycles, agriculture tractors, and trucks. Today, I want to introduce to you one of products. This is engine gasket kit for Husqvarna chainsaw 5063853-04. Engine gasket kit for Husqvarna chainsaw 5063853-04 fits with Husqvarna chainsaw K750, K760, with K760 models built before 2013. If you interest in our products, please contact us through mail, seller@osakamarine.com, web, www.osakamarine.com, WhatsApp, +886984252201. Thank you for visiting.